Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see who follows you on the Kik streaming. So log into your Kik.com and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Create Dashboard. From the drop-down menu on the left-hand sidebar, you will see the Community tab, and then select Chat or Rules. Let's see. So right here you will see moderators, sweeps, and OGs. Then here you will see channel emotes, sub badges, channel points. So yeah, this will show you the usernames of everyone currently following your channel and the date they followed. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.